Welcome back, you guys. Ready for more high school stereotypes? July, you're with the cheerleaders. Pom-poms and school spirit all the way. 70 out of 100. RAH, go team. August, you're with the skaters. Half pipes and kickflips, dude. 65 out of 100. So rad, bro. September, you're with the debate team. Arguing your way to victory. 60 out of 100. Blah, blah, blah. October, you're with the art kids. Painting, drawing, and all things creative. 55 out of 100. Artsy fartsy. November, you're with the goth kids. Dark clothes and even darker music. 50 out of 100. So edgy. December, you're with the science geeks. Lab coats and experiments. 65 out of 100. Nerds unite. Hope you enjoyed finding out your high school clique, you guys. Like, comment, and follow if you want to see more fun and crazy stuff. What's your favorite clique? Let us know, and stay cool.